Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at VahRehVah.com. Today I am going to make Methi Subji Malai. This is really awesome. Vegetarians should try this. Of course, I am going to add some cream, but the way I add it, it makes it very, very tasty. First, I am going to fry some vegetables because in the restaurants, when customer comes in, they orders, we have to give the dish and the dish has to be tasty and fresh. So what we do is we fry the vegetables and keep them ready. So I'm going to show you how. Here I've got some oil hot, the cauliflower. We're going to fry some cauliflower. I've got some mushrooms. I also have potatoes which have parboiled, that means they are almost half cooked. I'm just going to put them. We're going to fry these vegetables till they are 90% cooked. Next 10% we're going to cook in the last. I have these vegetables fried. Just make sure that the oil, we're going to leave it there. Now, in the same oil, I'm going to add some onions. When I add onions, I always add some salt. In this, we're going to add some turmeric. Just saute it a little bit and then add ginger garlic paste. Make sure that it is fresh ginger garlic paste. It will taste good. To this, we're going to add some chopped tomato. And also, we're going to add a little bit of cumin powder and a little bit of coriander powder, some chili powder. Add a little bit water. Put the lid on and cook it for like 2 minutes. The tomatoes are slightly cooked. You get a nice silky kind of gravy. On top of this, we're going to add some green chilies. I'm going to add some methi leaves, chopped methi leaves on top, and I'm not going to put the lid because I've always told you that there is chlorophyll A and B, some volatile acids in it. They need to, run away from this pan. Otherwise, if you put the lid, they react with the leaf again and then the leaf becomes black. But as it is, methi leaves are a little dark green. I want to retain that nice green color. These methi leaves cook for a minute. I've got cream, that is the malai. Here I have got nicely cooked mushroom, cauliflower and potato. Add the cream. Now we're going to add to this and mix it. Mix this and let it cook for a minute or so and the dish will be ready. Only thing you need to be very careful about this. Now you have to just make sure the salt is appropriate. Because I've added the vegetables mixed with the cream also won't curdle now. It'll be good. Of course, I need a little bit of salt, the little bit of sourness and the awesome flavors from the green leafy vegetable. This will taste good. 1 or 2 minutes, this is ready to serve your methi with malai sabji. This is really, really tasty. This is all ready. And the beauty is the vegetables, because we sauteed before, they are perfectly cooked and they stand out even in the flavor. Along with this, the potatoes, the moment you put them in the mouth, they literally melt. And this malai effect, even the green chilies, they'll be a little bit crunchy. Look at it. Let me put some of these green chili potatoes on top of rice. See, this is usually better eaten with chapatis and all that. But even with rice, you can thoroughly enjoy this. When it comes to eating, you guys know I'm shameless, literally. But these vegetables, each vegetable will be so tasty. Usually, you see most of the cookings, I don't add much of cream. But in this, I added to make this very, very tasty. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session of making this methi and sabji vegetables. Malai, cook fresh, eat and keep saying VahRehVah. This is so yummy.